Congress President Sonia Gandhi asked chief ministers of Congress-ruled states to demand to know from the centre what its exit strategy from the lockdown is going to be, how long will the lockdown continue, and how it will proceed with the exit plan. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister and the Rajasthan Chief Minister said an immediate economic stimulus package is needed from the centre, while Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh said the centre was incorrectly classifying zones as red and green without knowing the ground reality. The B.S. Yediyurappa-led government in Karnataka has announced a relief package of over Rs 1,600 crores for groups that are worst hit by the coronavirus lockdown in India. The package will benefit farmers, small and medium enterprises, handloom weavers, flower growers, dhobis or washermen, barbers, auto and taxi drivers, among others. The Karnataka government cancelled all the special trains which were to ferry migrant workers to their home states following a meeting between Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and prominent builders of the state. In a series of tweets, the Chief Minister wrote that businesses, construction work and industrial activity has to resume in areas other than red zones, and thus the unnecessary travel of migrants has to be stopped. After there was countrywide relaxation on the operation of liquor shops, Punjab too now has decided to ease the curbs. Liquor vends in Punjab will open from Thursday with a provision to deliver liquor at doorsteps of residents. The stores would be allowed to open only during the curfew relaxation hours, that is from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The government said in a detailed statement that there is no security breach in coronavirus tracking app Arogya Setu after a French ethical hacker pointed out flaws. The ethical hacker, who goes by the name Elliot Alderson, tagged Rahul Gandhi in his tweet warning about privacy risk, saying that the Congress MP was right about being concerned over the security of the app. The Indian government has called the app a sophisticated surveillance system. A day after a 15-year-old boy was apprehended for questioning in connection with an online chat room that shared girls' pictures without their consent and even discussed sexual violence, now the Delhi Police Cybercrime Cell has questioned 5 students between classes 10 and 12 of prominent South Delhi schools for around 6 hours in front of their parents on Tuesday. They've also issued notices to 21 other members of the group who have been asked to join the probe in the coming days. US President Donald Trump said that the country has flattened the coronavirus curve and now is in the next stage of battle, which is a very safe, phased and gradual reopening. Even though the number of infections and cases are rising in the country, there was a sharp decline in fresh cases and deaths in the last week, prompting Trump to make these remarks.